welcome to the channel. We are going now to take a look at the weekly time frame and see the overall price action. Well, as we said in the last video, we are probably progressing on an ABC pattern, and as you can see, we are apparently halfway on the C wave. Now we have to prove that it is actually an ABC. So let's go to the daily to take a more accurate view. As you can see here, we can immediately notice a divergence between price and the RSI index, which means that a move up is imminent. And we have a confirmation of that here, just before the third wave, which is the most powerful one, and is currently in progress. On the hourly time frame, we can see what's going on inside these waves. We can recognize that we already had a first wave, the second, the third, and the fourth wave is probably an ending diagonal, which means that it is formed by an ABC, ABC, and so on. So we are currently inside the third wave. If all of this is playing out, we are on the third wave that has to fulfill the requirements, which means, as usual, that the third wave has to be at least 1.618 of the first wave. So we, in order to have it a valid third wave, we have to reach this level. So now we have to monitor if everything is working correctly. We can also notice that we had several divergences at different levels and on different lows. For example, this one is between this low and this low. As you can see, we have lower lows on the RSI and higher lows on the price, which means we are ready for a move up. To suggest swing trading opportunities, we could, for example, sell here and then buy back here. We can enlarge the view to see it better, because this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move, which is a trend, and we are currently above the 200 EMA moving average, so we will easily pull back. But this is also by virtue of the Elliott wave theory. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. As you can see, we recognize the overall move. We also tried to acknowledge an impulsive wave here. We will, of course, see if it plays out, but for the moment we have to just follow and look for divergences. For the moment, this is not a divergency. This is not a divergency, but we had a divergency here, which is just before this move up, as we said. And also this one here was a divergency that was anticipating this move up. So let's say that this divergency and this divergency already played out, we could say. At this point we have to look for new divergences, so we have to give time for this move down and up, and we can do some swing trading as we said, and then we have to allow to move this down and up again, and we will look for divergences here. So we have to take our time. And currently, as you can see, the RSI is quite high, so we have absolutely to pull down, but we cannot understand much if you stay on this time frame. You have to necessarily go more in detail, and we already went more in detail. Let's go back here. Well, everything seems to be discussed, so I hope you found this video useful. I invite you to join to the channel, so you will get frequent updates as soon as the new videos are published. Feel free to put comments on video, and I will be happy to answer all of your questions, so we can improve the analysis. Maybe you can suggest new analysis, and I will be happy to make them. Until the next time, bye bye.